From local farms to international shelves, a youth-led enterprise in Quirino is helping bring the Philippines' famous ube to the global market with its locally produced ube powder, now reaching Japan and several other countries. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayao has this report.
Vibrant, aesthetic, and with a subtle vanilla nutty flavor, Purple Yammer Ube has taken center stage in the world of dessert. But in Quirino, it's more than just a trend. As the Quirino Young Entrepreneurs Association has turned the local crop into ube powder that's now making its way to Japan and other parts of the world.
And ito yung pinaka-bago nilang produkto, itang ube powder na nagsimula ng 2022 na dinevelop ito. Sa Japan, ma'am, first and second quarter of this year, nasa 3.2 tons, ma'am. With other countries, nasa 1 ton na din going to Switzerland, France, India, Singapore, Bulgaria, USA, Canada, Korea. Meron din kaming bago yung sa Thailand.
But what makes Quirino's ube powder a standout in the international market? According to the group, the secret lies in maintaining its quality and consistency.
Sabi nga sa amin ng exporter sa Japan, just maintain the quality, yung color at saka yung texture. Yun siguro yung dahilan, ma'am, kung bakit continuous silang kumukuha. Dahil mini-maintain namin yung kulay at saka yung texture niya. At the same time, kailangan talagang maintain yung quality ng ating ubes.
And as demand for ube grows, so do the opportunities it brings to the community. From farmers who supply the raw ingredients to workers who help them turn into ube powder. But for then student Jomar, the job also means a chance to earn while pursuing his studies.
Hindi po sa school. Hindi po ako nakahanap ng ibang way ng scholarship po. Thank naman sa God kasi nahanap ko yung organization na to. It helpful po sa akin na, yun nga po, student labor po siya. Hawak ko po yung oras ko. Per hour naman po yung labanan po sa pagtatrabaho noon. From Yuya, natutunan po not only earn money po, we gain skills po and knowledges, especially experiences po na magagamit po in the near future po siguro.
But with the ube craze continuing to rise, the group also faces challenges, including limited ube supply and a lack of facilities to keep up with demand, pushing them to call for government
Ang
assistance.
association po ay nananawagan ng mas malaki pang facility kasi ang demand nga po ay malaki at ang facility po ng association sa ngayon ay limited. Kung tinotinilada po ang demand, ang capacity ng association is 1 ton lang. We really need a bigger facility and equipment, of course.
As the group aimed to further expand Quirino's ube industry, they hope to maintain the crop's Filipino flavor and identity, while bringing Quirino's ube powder to even more tables around the world. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao, we are One News.